Hey there, quick review on this rechargeable LED light. Really impressive with a lot of cool features. First off, it's going to charge with a USB-C port on the back. That's super handy because we're all carrying USB-C ports these days. You'll also notice you have a battery level indicator light system there on the back as well. Turn it off, it disappears. When it's on, you can see how much juice you've got left. Now this may look simple, but it has a ton of versatility. You'll see here both of the ends pivot full 180 degrees. On both ends, we've got magnets, but then also with those pivoting ends, this whole thing swivels as well. So just showing you here, magnets, I can stick that on there. If I want to direct which direction the light is pointing, all I've got to do is twist, and I've got a whole 360 degrees of adjustability there. Now we can also set the light up vertically and use it that way, rotating it full 360 degrees again. If we want to put it on the floor or on a workbench, something like that, can set it on the workbench, and again, we've got a full 360 degrees, so you can direct that light wherever you want to. There are also two hooks that will pop out on the back here. Those also swivel a full 360 degrees. Easy to hang on something, and then again, because of the way this whole thing swivels, you've got quite a bit of adjustability to move it around. There are two brightness settings. We've got 2500 lumens, it'll run for 2.5 hours, or the lower setting is 800 lumens, it'll run for 5.5 hours. Now how bright is it? Going into my mechanical room here, there is no light at all in here. This is at the full 2500 lumens. As you can see, it really lights up this area nicely. And then bumping it down to the 800 lumens, that works really well also. Now, if you want to see something impressive, this is the light on high, illuminating the whole mechanical room. Bump it down to low right there. That's a really nice work light. But what's really impressive here is this whole light is supporting itself just with the magnet. So if you're someone who works around metal, this is going to be even more handy because, I mean, just plop that thing on there, turn it on, and you've got a nice work light right over you. And it's really pretty strong. Even just on this electric panel plate, holds itself up really well. If you really want to lock it on, we could even put it on like this and mount it like that as well. And then again, you've still got this full 360 degrees of adjustment where you can move it around. Impressively strong, doesn't even want to hardly pop off there. Now, of course, we've also got our hooks that'll pop out on the end. You can easily hook this onto a nail. Here, I've got some wires up here. You can plop it up there, turn it on. Really just the combinations of ways that you could use this light are about endless. It'll hook on, or it'll stick on, or it'll sit on to just about anything where you would possibly want to put a light. So if you're looking for a great, really just versatile work light, this is just a fantastic option.